watching a Tailslandian Gardens and Elysian Siemens feature.
We are the dogs!
Gershwyn, get in here right now.
Ella, what did you want now?
Sit down.
But Ella.
Now, Gershwyn, the reason why I called you in here because you made Darren Pips to overdose on pills when you are not supposed to. Did you?
Yes, I did.
What? Oh my God. You, Ella, and I need some explaining to do. I got on the phone with Darren's mother, Tania, and I swear, you made Darren commit suicide. Now he's on suicide watch thanks to you. Also, according to a tweet from TVCTA services, light rail, bus, subway, commuter, via Serena Murphy as the president of TVCTA. She sent us a tweet to all customers like me. Want me to read it?
Yes.
Breaking news, our beloved bus driver Darren Coleman, who practices our new route and sometimes fills in for routes without a driver using New Flyer articulated bus 1571, needs some time to recover. His family is starting a fundraiser for him. The goal is $10,000. Signed, Serena Murphy. What on earth did you do to Darren this time? Attempt to shoot him using a stolen rifle?
No, I didn't, not like the 2016 murder of Christina Grimmie, you know. Because stuff like that in the murder 5 years ago can get me arrested, right?
Yes, you are right. 5 years ago, Christina Grimmie was shot and killed after one of her tours. She passed away the next day at a local hospital. 5 years later, 2 months ago, she was revived by Mama, Badger Klops, and Adora Bad thanks to their magic, just in time for Darren Pipster's birthday party. Now for a real lecture, please listen carefully.
Okay then.
On January 8, 2021, Nichols went after Katie Melanie for spoiling Zack, the movie, The Vengeance of Derek twice. MJ The Spirit and Go Multiverse Legacy 394 attempted to stop the fight, but Nichols dwelled on it and pulled a suicide card, which resulted in him getting placed in timeout in the live chat twice. He was also demoted from the GGU creative department shortly thereafter. Does that make you think of Filbert murdering people around the world?
No, it doesn't. It makes me think of getting kicked out of the nightclub.
On January 16, 2021, Nichols released a video on his channel showing Bill Jansen and a few others at the car wash, which originally came from one of Jansen's stories on Instagram. The part that made it controversial was when Nichols placed laughing emojis in the title and description. In result, several LMNB employees called him out for it. LMNB employee Nick Fisher, also known as Brinny T. Pony, posted about Nichols' actions on his YouTube community page. Those posts have since been removed. The following day, LMNB released a statement on their Twitter page apologizing for Nichols' behavior and informed that he's talking with an online counselor to help fix his behavior. 3 days later after the incident, all Bill Jansen talk was permanently banned from LMNB and all of its other affiliated servers. Do you want that to be spread across your social media profile?
I already have plenty, so no.
On August 7, 2021, Darren created the hashtag Drippy Mickey Gang and hired people for $500 to hack Jason Animates and his friends' Discord accounts. He also said that he wanted to kill Jason for ruining Nichols' life, which he showed a 9mm rounds to Jason, along with his driver's license on camera. On August 8, 2021, Jason Animates' Discord server got deleted by Nichols thanks to him hiring his White Knights to hack his account along with Serenity's account to ping @everyone. Do you wish to have it done to your Discord server, if you have one?
I already have a Discord server, so no, I don't want that to happen.
And finally, on November 11, 2021, which is Veterans Day, Darren announced in a live stream that he will be discontinuing and retiring his main YouTube channel on December 31, 2021, which is New Year's Eve. Reasons cited for the decision included low activity, lack of ideas on what to upload, and decline in viewership. Aren't you going to be lucky if he did it that day at the end of 2021?
Yes, Mary, I promise everything will go smooth if he does this.
Good, and if Darren Pipster passes away unexpectedly, there is a fine of $35,000 you need to pay by January 4, 2022. No exceptions. Period.
Only thing is, don't whiz on the electric fence.
You know, Gershwyn, lectures start with a scolding, and end with a happy thought or funny moment.
Wow, 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 wow!
The video is over.
But it doesn't have to be.
Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell button to get notified for every video we produce on a certain day.